quickly look at how we can set a password on Microsoft Word. It's really simple. So we're going to open our Microsoft Word. We're going to start a blank document, or we would have had our document already. Then we're going to go to File and Info. We've got Protect Document. So once we click this, we're going to go Encrypt with Password. And literally as simple as that. So we're going to just put our password in here. What I will make a note of, please make a note of this caution here. So once you have set a password on a document, you cannot recover it anywhere. Microsoft does not keep it anywhere. It's not hashed anywhere. It's not recoverable at all. So if you do use this password, make sure you use a password manager or some other form of keeping a note of this password so you know what it is to re-enter the document. Once we set that password, we're going to go OK. It's going to ask us for the password again, just to confirm there's no spelling mistakes or typos in that. And so we know what the password, we are definitely sure what the password is, like this. Once we've confirmed the password, it's then going to encrypt the document and inform us that this password is needed to open the document. There's no other mention of this password needed except under the info page. Now what we can do, we can save this. We're going to save this on our desktop as password Word. We save it and close it. Now we open it. We've got a document here, password Word. Looks like a normal Word document, but when we try and open it, the first thing it's going to ask us is for that password. Once we enter the password, we're good to go. We're in the Word document. Now, if you're using this type of password protection, please make sure you send the password to the user with the file in a separate section. So if you're emailing the document, perfect, not a problem. You email them the document. They can't access the document without the password. Bare minimum, please send them as a separate email, the password, or maybe through a different medium, maybe a text message or a WhatsApp message, or even just old-fashioned pick up the phone and call them and tell them what the password is. That way you keep the two pieces of information separate and you make sure that the password and the document stay safe.